Korea. 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 Hi guys, so I've checked in and I'm so excited. I'm going to Korea. Also, I met Bruce Passports. It's such a good surprise. I met them. I was just entering and I bumped into them and I was just entering. Hi, I follow you on Instagram. Hi, say hi to my vlog.
Hello.
What's your name? Okay guys, so we are at Hong Kong airport right now. We have a layover for 2 hours and then we are going to Jeju Island. Oh, I've got some coffee. Guys, so I'm back and I was talking to you guys and it got interrupted. But I met Savi and Lynn and they're such nice people. I always feel so good whenever I meet them. And yeah, we are at Hong Kong airport right now and we have a flight to catch in half an hour. I don't even know I mentioned that I'm going to Korea. I'm so excited, you guys. I can't even tell you. Okay guys, quick update. We've finally reached Jeju Island and look at our faces. We are so dead right now. Like, we were just standing like this. Okay, so the currency is won and 1 rupee is equal to 50 focus. Delhi 15.6 for South Korean won. And we are getting a SIM for ourselves. How much is it for? The SIM card?
27,500.
Wow.
Yeah. So I converted $100 to 1,85,000 won.
It's freezing right now, guys. I can't even tell you. And I can see my bus, the pink one. Here we go. We got our SIM cards. Everything is sorted.
I think you really need it. So, 1.5 hours, maybe you can take some rest there. Dorachi restaurant and I'm just scared right now. Will I get vegetarian food?
Of course.
They have a teddy bear here sitting casually. Just look at this. Like, everything is so cute. And we have a Christmas tree. This is so pretty. Yeah, but I'm so excited to sleep because I'm tired AF. Thank you. Yay. We got gifts. I'll show you guys once I check in. Let's go. Yeah. So guys, this is my cutesy room. Here's the washroom. This is me, obviously. And this is what a quick room tour. I hope you guys like the room tour. And now I'll show you guys what's inside the bag. Okay, first we have this Starbucks. I'm already sold, guys. Starbucks cup. Oh my god, I feel like it's a tumbler. Oh, look at this cup. It's so cute. Starbucks cup from Jeju. I'm definitely taking this one home. The coffee beans. I think they stalked me on Instagram and they know what I like. So, kidding guys. I'm not that important. This one is huge. I can have Maggie in this. Day 1 in Korea. It's going to be amazing. And I'm so excited to share it with you guys. And I'll see you guys in a while. Okay guys. Okay guys, so I'm all ready as you guys can see and I'm really bad at packing good clothes. So yeah, I'm wearing this dress and a lightweight trench coat and I'm feeling so cold right now. We are here at Loveland and I've heard so much about this place and we're finally here. It's basically, wait, I can't tell you guys, I'll show you guys. Guys, so we are in Loveland right now and it's an adult museum. It's Attached Museum, and I don't know if I'll post this or not, but I'll show you guys some glimpse of it. We're having dinner now. Look at the size of the naan, guys. Okay guys, I'm outside Etude House and we have a lot of cute stuff inside. There are a lot of beauty products and I'm going to show you guys. Look at this. This as well.
This is latte.
This is latte.
Latte, black, sweet black.
Guys, so we just got done with breakfast. It's a second day and I'm getting a portable charger for myself and some coffee. This also.
Manjanggul Caves.
Manjanggul Caves. And we probably can't take pictures inside because it's going to be really dark. But I'll give you guys a proper... But I'm going to try, for sure. मनुष्य का काम होता है मेहनत करना. In Manjanggul Caves and it's one of the largest volcanic tunnel and it's so huge. We are at the end now and we have a decent light here, so I thought of vlogging and talking to you guys. And yeah, we're almost done. Only 1 kilometer is open for tourists. Rest 13, if I'm not wrong, 13-14 kilometers is closed. But we're just looking around and there's water drizzling somewhere. You have to keep your cameras protected, but it's a really nice place. And entry fee is $2? No,
2,000
2,000
for one person.
2,000 Korean won for one person, which is quite decent. So yeah, that's about it and we are going out right now. I'll show you guys more places real soon. We have a lot of things planned for today and today is really packed, so let's go. Okay, Jin, how do you do the Korean heart?
Like this, like this. This is Korean heart.
Aww, cute. Guys, we are at what? Maze? I can't pronounce the name right. Wait, I have to open. We are at Cimnyeong Maze and I'm really excited. It's gonna be so fun. And it's a maze, in short. And what do I explain? It's a maze and we are going there and we'll divide ourselves in 3 different teams and whoever makes it at the end first wins. Windstone maze?
Yeah, that one was quite hard to
Okay guys, so we are covering this one today. Hopefully we'll make it to the end.
Stone shape. Yes. Right?
Okay guys, we are entering right now. Hope we make it till the end quicker. Oh, Agent! Agent? Just say, पता नहीं?
पता नहीं है.
पता नहीं है. घर कैसे जाए?
पता नहीं है.
Okay, guys, we are lost and we don't know where to go. पता नहीं है.
पता नहीं है.
Okay guys, we made it! Yay! Victory! We made it till the end. Okay, so once you finish the maze, it's a what? you ring the bell to let everyone know that you've finished the maze.
We just got out of the maze and we saw this cute tree, and I can't read, but I think they have messages for their loved ones or wishes. I'm just guessing it, winging it. So cute.
1,000 years ago, from the ocean, there was nothing, but this one exploded. So Songsan Sunrise Peak created. Yeah, so we call this one hydro volcano.
Hydro volcano.
Yes.
Okay.
The ocean.
This is Cimnyeong Peak. It's called Sunrise Peak, and we are going there. It will take us about 1 hour to reach. To come back also, you know? Back and forth, na? It'll take us 1 hour to complete the entire thing. And we're really excited. We're gonna go and take pictures also on our way. And it's so cold here. We have reached Mandarin and we are here for tangerine picking, and we have got our tools. Yes. Thank you. I feel very farmerish. Ding! I can't do it. Where is it? Yes! So I'm picking oranges and I already got 3 and I'm searching for more. Okay, let's get this one. Easier.
I think I'm done.
Thank you. Bye. Okay guys, so we are at Lotte Mart, and what do you want to tell them about Lotte Mart?
Lotte Mart is like
Big Bazaar? She was telling me
kinda because you get everything like from
Big Bazaar of India.
cosmetics to stationery to
Everything under one roof.
household items. Yeah, it's kinda like that.
And you can find cheap stuff as well. Like it's a mixture of everything, but you can find
everything.
And she promised that you'll love everything here.
Yes.
I'm definitely excited.
I hope you live up to it.
Still here, and my basket is full of products. Look at the amount of stuff I have. And I found green tea Kit Kat. How amazing. I just can't get enough.